Gigi. Gigi.
Who's that? Popo.
Where's your car? Where's your car?
Where's your car, Gigi? Can you go press beep beep? Beep beep.
Oh. Can you go press the horn on your car? Gigi. Hey babe, will you help her stand up?
What are you pointing to? Here. Let's stand up, okay?
Can you go press the horn on your car? Beep beep.
Where's the beep beep on your car? Gigi, can you go beep beep? Can you go beep beep in the car? No?
Where are you going, baby?
She wants to see the picture of me, Nana.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Who's this? Yeah.
Nana.
Yeah, that's what we know.
Show her the one right behind her.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Who's that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Good job. Good job, Gigi. You're so smart.
Yeah, watch that glass.
Can you go push the horn on your car? Beep
Where's the
beep.
beep
Here,
beep,
you can do
Gigi?
the glass.
Where's the beep beep? Say bye bye. Say bye bye.
Thank you.
Gigi, no, don't play with that. Where's your car? Where's your car, Gigi? Let's go look at your car. Where's your car, baby?
She's like,
Yeah. Will you hold my hand? Will you hold my hand? Can you go beep beep? Where's the beep beep? Can you beep beep in the car? Beep beep, Gigi, can you do beep beep? Beep beep. Oh, Gigi, beep beep. She likes her version of the beep better.
Good job. Where's your Elmo chair? Where's your Elmo chair? There it is. Hi, Elmo. Good job. There's your Elmo chair. You're just gonna watch football that way? It's awesome.
Gigi, you're hilarious. Can you sit in the chair?
Esther, can you please help her?
Here you go, baby. Here, let's sit in the chair, okay? So you stand up, you back up, and then you say, oh.
Good job.
Yay.
Look at you in the Elmo chair.
Yay. Here, let's do what Elmo says. Where's your nose, Gigi?
Where's your nose? Clap your hands.
Where are your fingers? Yeah, stomp your feet. You did that one already. Good girl.
Memo. That's Elmo's nose.
turned it right side up.
It's about Betsy.
Yeah.
We're gonna miss you.
I'm gonna miss you guys too.
What are you gonna do without us? Hmm?
It's gonna be very sad.
It's gonna be rough on you. For like a week.
Uncle Jim.
You'll be fine. We're gonna miss you though.
I'm gonna miss you guys too.
Oh, right on the flag at that.
Gigi, who are you talking to?
Are you having an important conversation?